A displacement time graph is used to calculate the velocity. The slope of the graph is equal to the velocity. Now, if the slope is like this, is linear, that means the velocity is constant. If it's slightly curved like this, that means the velocity increases at a constant rate. Now, if the slope is like this, that means the velocity is increasing and acceleration increases at a constant rate. On a velocity time graph, the slope is equal to the acceleration. If the slope is horizontal, like this, then it indicates uniform motion. Now, if the slope is linear, that means there is uniform acceleration. And if the slope is like this, slightly curved, then it means that it is non-uniform acceleration. Note that the area under a velocity time graph is equal to the displacement. So this entire thing would be equal to the displacement. On an acceleration time graph, the slope isn't meaningless, but the area under the graph is the change in velocity. Now, if the slope is horizontal, then the velocity is increasing. And if the slope is linear, then the acceleration is increasing. Now, to calculate the gradient of a slope, you can use rise over run. So say for example, this were 5 and this were 10, then on a velocity time graph, the gradient would be equal to the acceleration. So the acceleration would be a is equal to 5 over 10, which is equal to 0.5.